My friend Rena and I were talking about the peace we have this year at Christmas time. Usually, it's a few days before Christmas and you're already sick of hearing Christmas music, but this year we've enjoyed it. And it started even before Thanksgiving, which is strange, but we both feel like we have the peace that passes all understanding, and it's a good feeling to have when 2020 has been stressful for a lot of people. We feel like we have a lot to be thankful for and a lot of things that we've learned to adapt to and see how flexible we are and just go with the flow. So a lot of people thought 2019 was a bad year and complained, and then 2020 came along and they thought it was an awful year, but we talked about that today and nobody could remember why anybody thought 2019 was a bad year. I personally don't remember. I thought it was an okay year. So looking forward to a bright and beautiful 2021 soon. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a Piece of Me moment. Have a peaceful day.